Good morning. It's Dave Conroy here from the Lone Drainer and Pronto. And as we approach winter of 2020, my little message for today is hot water. And I want you all to know where to turn off the water to your water heater. And very importantly, I want you to know what a temperature and pressure relief valve is. So if you'll just follow me, I'll show you that. Water heater. Okay, so this is a water heater. It dispenses hot water. Yeah, it's hot. But I want to show you how to turn the water heater off, and we're not going to do it at the tap. We're going to do it there. So we turn that off. Turn it back on, hot water, yes it's hot, comes out of there. I'll turn that off. Now this is the pressure relief valve, and every 6 months you should be able to pull this lever on the pressure relief valve. Simply as that. Oh, fundamental error. Pull the pressure relief valve, and it allows water to run through there and into the drain, and in your instance it may spill onto the ground. It's a simple thing that will prolong the life of your water heater. Temperature and pressure relief valve, very important. Water heater shut-off valve, off, on. Yours may be different, but effectively that's what it is. Hot water off and back on. Hot water, done.